Continuing with my work, Carli calamares QML config has been created, not built. New package build is in the making. We need to build something else. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We need to build the same Carli calamares config, more or less, but different content. So we're gonna call it Carli calamares QML config. Okay. Difference in the name to start with, right? Compare. Same. The name here is Carli calamares config. The right one is the QML one. Voila. And the date, it's the 9th, and I'll build the other one as well. So voila, nothing changed there, but I'll build it, right? Easy peasy. Done. That's all it is. How do you learn to create package builds? How did I? Read. Easiest way, I must say, are wallpapers or icons. That's how I started. If I remember correctly, it's super simple because it's just an image or an icon that gets moved from A to B. That's it. The other applications like that, they're built, they're packaged and all that. That's gonna be a little bit different. It's, well, even here they use Ninja. So, right? It's go and read. Wallpapers. Go and read. Okay. So, read my package build. So you see, there is just the one line and everything stays the same. Yeah, versions and release. That goes without saying. But all the rest are variables. URL is this thing. Package name is this thing. Change one place and all the rest is okay. That's my vision anyway. So I'm ready to build already. It's so simple. It's that simple. Make the package. Package created. So source, have a look in there. Have a look in there. This is what's gonna go on your machine. In etc, you'll get the calamares with the branding and settings and modules, and they'll all be there. Keyboard, the keyboard Q is there. You see? Okay. Super. Well, we should do a check, right? I just saw the one. So, keyboard Q is there. Well, I think this is an easier way to look at things. So net install is there. Okay. So users queue, welcome queue. Okay. They're there. This is rubbish. If the package is built, you don't need it anymore. I'm gonna assign my package and then we're gonna copy paste it to the repository. Good. So we've got two packages, one to follow up the innovations and one to just keep well, the regular modules, the not QML modules. And that's online, almost. So time 4 minutes. I don't think there is anything anymore I can tell. This is something you should be aware of. It's still okay. It's 56 megabyte, and the warning is there because we crossed a boundary or a borderline, or they say that it's a 50 megabyte and you won't see anything. It's 56 till 99.99, and you'll see still the warning message, but it's 100 megabyte. It's gonna be, hey, you can't do this, it's too big, right? Try the Git large file system storage. LFS. So keep under the 100 basically is the message here, GitHub. Stopping the video here, right? Because what we've done now is we've changed, well, added the configuration, and what we should do is test it, build it. So it's another Carli 10 build. So let's cut the video here and start building a new Carli 10.